Hello again. My name is Juan Rodarte, and in this video, I will show you how to create custom audiences in your Facebook Ads Manager to use them for retargeting campaigns. And if you stay till the end, I have a really cool surprise for you as a token of appreciation for watching this video. So let's get to it. Now, before we go into the step, it's important to understand why custom audiences are relevant. These audiences help you segment the people who have already interacted with your different marketing assets, whether it's your Facebook or Instagram page, your website, and even your videos. This way, you can have a different message for your cold and warm audiences. So to sum it up, the main purpose of custom audiences is to understand how we're converting strangers into customers with our marketing. Okay, so we're inside our Facebook Ads Manager. And to go to create your custom audiences, you need to go here on your left to your audiences section. If you don't have it here, you can also go to all tools, and then here you will have your audiences. The audiences list will load if you already have some. If you don't, you will only have a blank page here. On your left, you have the create audience button, and then you would select custom audience. Now these are your sources, and it's basically external sources and meta sources. So your external sources could be your website, could be an app, catalog, offline activity, or a customer list. This is really important. If you already have a customer list and you have their email address, you can upload it, and Facebook will create a custom audience based on your customer list, which also helps in terms of increasing the chance of converting new leads into customers. Now for your meta sources, as I mentioned, you have videos, you have lead forms, you have Facebook page and Instagram account. So these are all the sources that you can use to create your custom audiences. First of all, I will use Facebook page to create it. So you click on next, and then it will ask you to select which page do you want to use. So this will be the page that advertises your business or that talks about your business. In this case, I will use this page. And then you can have everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited your page. So these are different options that you can use. Let's think that we only want people who engaged with your page. And then this is also really important. You can have on your Facebook sources, you can have a retention of a year, 365 days. Usually, if a person interacted with your page a year ago, you cannot consider it a warm audience. You can have, let's say, 180 days, which would be a warmer audience. Still, 6 months is a lot. In your best case, you would have 90 days. But the other thing is that you need to consider if your page is brand new, for example, you probably don't have a lot of interactions. So this, if you only leave 90 days, your audience will be very small and Facebook won't be able to use it for a retargeting. You need to have at least 1,000 people in a custom audience to be able to use it for retargeting. So if your page is brand new, I would go with 180 days. You can put a name, Facebook page, 180 days, interaction, custom audience, and then you can create your audience. If you want to go with your Instagram account, it would be pretty much the same. But what is really cool is that you can use videos as well. So if you're using videos inside your page, people who have viewed 3 seconds, 10 seconds. Usually, for a person to be interested in your video, you would expect them to watch at least 25% or 50% of your videos. So what you would do here is people who have viewed at least 25% of your video. And then you can also select your videos here. We want to use this one, and then you will click confirm. And also, again, you can have a retention of 365 days, which is a lot. I would go with 180 or 90, depending on the amount of views that your video has. This would be a custom audience based on a specific video. So that's really powerful. These audiences are really good for retargeting, especially if you're running brand awareness campaigns with video. You can start creating custom audiences based on your videos. And this will also help you to lower your costs, because if you're using video views campaigns, they are the least expensive campaigns on Facebook. So this is a really powerful tool. The other option is to use your website as a source. And to do this, you already need to have a pixel created. So if you don't have a pixel created, I will create another video to show you how to create a pixel, install it in your website, and different uses you can have for it. And again, let's go with 90 days. You can select all website visitors, or you can also select a specific page, or even an event, for example, a page view or a submit application. All website visitors, 90 days, and then again, name your custom audience. The other important thing is that you don't need to have your audiences ready to create them. You can even create them if your page is new and you don't have a lot of followers, because Facebook will keep adding people to those audiences. So at some point, you will notice that your audience, and here you can check, for example, let's say we have this audience that says videos, and if you select it here, you can see that it says below 1,000. So this number will keep growing as time goes by, because Facebook will keep adding people to those audiences and updating those audiences. So you don't have to wait to have a bunch of people there. You can create them from the beginning. It's important to create them from the beginning and then use them once they are ready to be used. So as a quick recap, you can create custom audiences from different sources. You will be able to use them when they have at least 1,000 people in each audience. You can use them for different retargeting campaigns, and you can also use video views as a source to fill your custom audiences, and you really don't need to invest a lot of money. And now to the surprise. I've been working on an ebook that talks about Facebook ads metrics, how to understand them, and make important decisions based on data. I almost have it ready, and I will give away 100 free copies of the ebook before I charge for it. So if you want to join the waitlist, go to the digitalmarketinggeek.com/metrics, and I will contact you when it's ready. And of course, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with any questions of this topic or any other digital marketing topic. And I will see you soon. Thanks.